Before the repair commences, it is important that you carefully examine the damaged area. The kit includes a green LED torch, which can be used to highlight the full extent of the damage. The two most common types of windscreen damage are known as bullseyes and star breaks. The star break requires a slightly different degree of inspection and will be discussed later in the video. Identify the correct zone on the windscreen where the break is located. Use the clear overlay provided within the kit to ensure that the size of the damage is within the limit for that zone. For example, in this case the damage falls within Zone B, where the limit is 40mm in diameter. You should not attempt to repair larger damage than this. Next, identify the precise point where the stone has struck the glass. This is known as the impact crater. Please note that the impact crater should be no greater than 5mm in diameter. Using the inspection tool to assess the damage will produce a grinding or scratchy sound. This is because the impact crater is blocked with concentrated glass debris and possibly dirt and moisture. This debris, dirt and moisture will need to be removed in order to allow effective ingress of the resin when under pressure. To clean out the impact crater, first ensure that you are wearing the protective safety gloves provided. Use the E-Spray IPA spray to clean the damage and surrounding area. Wipe with a lint-free cloth to remove any dirt from the screen. The spray will also help to remove moisture from the crack and will evaporate in a few moments. Attach the small 1mm drill bit into the drill. There is a small button on the drill body near the chuck which locks the drill so that the chuck can be tightened. Please note that some Esprit kits may contain a slightly different model of drill. We recommend that you cradle the drill in one hand to prevent the knurling on the drill chuck from damaging the glass. Hold the drill at a 45 degrees angle and using a gentle rotary action for a series of short bursts, carefully clean out the impacted glass and dirt from the impact point. Please ensure that the head of the drill burr does not travel any more deeply than 1mm beneath the glass, and that the impact crater is not widened during this process. Do not apply excessive force or push the drill too deeply into the glass during the cleaning process, as this could damage the polyvinyl layer that lies between the inner and outer sheets of glass. Recheck the impact crater using the inspection tool. If the impact crater is properly cleared of debris, you should hear a cleaner whistling sound. This indicates that the glass debris has been cleared and that the resin will flow freely into the break. You have now prepared the site of the damage. In the next section we'll set up the bridge ready to carry out the repair.